Okay, we come to question 9, which is as follows. The probability that Gift will not be late for a job interview is 0.05. What is the probability that he will be late for the interview? Okay, so the probability of Gift that will not be late for interview is 0.05. What is the probability that he will be late for the interview? Okay, so to find the probability that he will be late for the interview, so the total of these two probabilities, she will be late for interview or she won't be late for interview, the total is 1. So what you can do is you can just subtract 0.05 from 1. Okay, so we can say probability, okay, probability that she will be late for interview, that he will be late for interview. So probability of being late for the interview is equal to, so what we do is we just say 1 minus 0.05. okay, so how do we find that? How do we subtract that? So what we need to do is I'm going to show you here on the right side of the screen. What we're going to do is we're going to say 1, see, it has got 2 decimal places, so we're going to say 1.00. okay, this will help you not to make a mistake. Then we say minus 0.05. okay, then what we do is now we just find the difference. So 0 minus 5, it can't take away 5 from 0. So what we need to do is we borrow 1 from a neighboring. Now we can see that our neighboring number is 0, so we borrow 1 from this 1 here. So we remain with the 0 here, it comes here, it becomes 10. We borrow 1, it means 9. Then it comes here, it becomes 10. Then we say 10 minus 5 will give us 5. Then 9 minus 0 will give us 9. And then we have a decimal point. 0 minus 0 will be 0. Okay, because that is the whole number 0. So the answer is 0.95. So the answer is 0.95. So the probability that Gift will be late for work is 0.95. okay, so what I can do is I can come here and record my answer 0.95. okay, that is a probability of Gift going late for the job interview. Sorry. Okay, now let's go to question B, which is solve the equation 2x minus 1 is equal to 2x 2 raised to the power of x minus 1 minus 4, which is equal to 0. Okay, so to solve this one, what we're going to do is I'm going to write the expression, which is, I'm going to say B. The expression is 2x minus 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so what we can do now is we put like terms together. So we're going to have 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 plus 4. Okay, then what we do is we have 2x okay, we are saying 2 raised to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 0 plus 4 will give us 4. Okay, then what we need to do is we need to have the same base. So that means we are going to write 4 with a power so that it has the same base. We're going to write 4 in indices. So we're going to say 2x minus 1 is equal to, so now the number that we can multiply twice to get 4, okay, is 2. 2 times 2 give us 4. So we're going to have 2 raised to the power of, okay, now since we have the same base, the numbers have got the same base, sorry, since the numbers have got the same base, we can cancel out the bases. Then we remain with we remain with the powers. So the powers we have is x minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so what we can do now is we can put like terms together. It means we're going to have x is equal to 2, then negative 1 will cross the equal sign and become positive 1. Then we say x is equal to 2 plus 1 will give us 3. So we can say the value of x is equal to 3. Okay, so basically that's how we answer this one. If you have got questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. If you haven't joined our WhatsApp group where we are sharing, we are going through question papers and sharing ideas on how to solve questions, please make sure you click the link that is in the description box. You can join our WhatsApp group.